Welcome back to CAVC TV, our brand new weekly update providing all of our students with important information and a chance to find out more about what's happening across CAVC. I'm Yusuf Ibrahim, Associate Dean for Teaching and Learning at Cardiff and Vale College, and I'm here at our city centre campus in Cardiff. As well as this week's coronavirus update, I'll be giving you some top tips for learning online, something all our students do as part of their course. Cases of coronavirus are increasing across Cardiff, the Vale and South Wales. There have been further announcements this week that you need to be aware of. These are now local lockdowns across more areas of South East Wales. This includes Newport, Bridgend, Merthyr and Blaenau Gwent. Staff and students from each of these areas are still able to travel to attend college, so long as you or someone you live with does not have symptoms or you have not been asked to self-isolate. Please continue to help keep yourselves and others safe by getting the basics right at all times. Socially distancing, using face coverings when on public transport and anywhere on the campus outside of the classroom, and washing or sanitizing your hands regularly. If you live with someone who has symptoms, don't come in. If you develop symptoms when on campus, please leave immediately, letting your class teacher know. At CAVC, all students do some online learning as part of their course. This gives you more flexibility and is a great additional skill, as so much business now takes place like this. It also means that whatever happens, your learning continues. For example, if you're unable to attend college, or if more lockdown restrictions are imposed, we will move your course completely online for that time. If you're having any problems with your password or username, contact the Success Centre at cavc.ac.uk. Or if you're struggling with getting your own device, you can pay monthly by visiting the Academia store. Or you can speak to Student Services about help with affording one. Here are some top tips for learning online. Get comfy. Find a safe, quiet and comfortable place to learn. Have what you need around you, something to take notes on, water and some snacks. Log into Microsoft Teams a few minutes before your lesson so that you're ready to begin on time. Blur your background for privacy. Open only the apps that you need, Teams, Word and your browser. Everything else can be closed. And wear headphones to help with distractions. Follow your timetable as you would if you were on campus. Engage. Use the raise hand function to ask a question or speak just like you would in class. Or ask any questions or give your views using the chat panel. And mute your mic when you're not talking. Take regular breaks from your screen when you can. Try and fit in some exercise during the day. And remember, all our support services are available online too. Go to the app or the portal to link to them. If you're struggling with anything, just let your teachers know. They are here to help you. This is just the start of CAVC TV. Check in every week to meet staff and students from across the college.